got that shit on in Absecon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Red carpet is the Absecon.
Okay, so here's the friendship.
Okay, let's talk heavy. Talk heavy. Okay,
friendship.
damn, looks like it's breaking down. Like the fuck over here. Damn, how much the friendship motor rent?
I don't know.
Should go in
I
there,
asked
see
the
how
boy
much
and
it
he
is
said
for
he
the night.
stays here for free. I was like, what the fuck?
How much is it for the night? Let's see how much the friendship motor rent. I'm about to call. Friendship.
Boy said he stays here for free. He said, because they were gonna press charges over some shit, so now they have to let him stay for free.
For real?
Yeah. So there's
Forever?
There's like multiple people that stay here for free. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I don't know. But they just stay here and they trap. Especially around the back here. It's all joints back
Looks
here.
pretty shady.
Yeah.
Oh, they got more joints. Okay, that's what's going on.
Around the back too.
Let's see what's going on.
I didn't even know this shit was back here.
Let's see what's going on.
Door open.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just a hole.
I'm trying to see how much your room is. They're not advancing. How much is in Pennsville? This shit got
Look
me
that
for
shit
low.
up on Google Maps. It'll probably say.
This shit got me for low ski, dog. $45. That ain't bad.
These joints probably are nasty. Like, this shit look like shit, bro. This is the worst looking motel.
That ain't bad though.
Yeah, it better not be.
I want to see how big are they.
It better be some shit like that.
Yeah.
Fine. I don't think you can get that anywhere else.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like for the, you can't really get that.
Oh, let's check out the red carpet.
Yeah, red carpet, the same type of shit. I stayed at the red carpet.
Red carpet. It's looking good so far. Looking good so far for
Welcome
red
to
carpet.
truckers. That's probably where they get a lot of their money. The truckers, doing landscaping.
Damn, nobody's even staying here.
Nobody even saying this bullshit. Red carpet in the suites. Dingiest and dirtiest hotels.
Right, we gotta check out that dumpster section back there. Looks pretty sturdy.
Sturdy. And they throwing shit out, man. They doing all the shit that had bed bugs on it.
That looks like a spot I would just drive and throw my shit back here. Really.
Yeah, fuck it.
Hey, look at this shit. What
Got
the
old
fuck?
TVs on there.
Is this a hotel?
Scrap metal. Scrap metal.
Bro, this is a hotel.
It's a hotel.
Look at that balcony, dog. Hold on.
Oh, shit. Oh, the balcony's done. Is the balcony falling? Done.
Yeah.
Wow.
Is that a balcony? What the fuck is that? Oh, that's the roof, dog. It's like the awning over the stairs.
See how much the red carpet in this Pennsville
This joint is crazy
is.
looking. What the fuck? This is like the Magnolia Projects.
Magnolia.
This dead ass look like some projects.
In my projects. Remember that joint?
Yeah.
Cuckoo cow.
Cuckoo cow.
Yeah.
How you remember that shit?
In my projects. They say in my projects. That boy had one song. He didn't know what to do after that. In my projects.
He didn't know what
Hello?
to do with himself.
Hello?
I got a nice little cherry blossom right there.
In my
You know what I mean?
projects.
A little cherry blossom there.
Where's that?
Some good scenery right there.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Little shrubbery.
Shrubbery.
You know, they got a couple begonias over there. I think
Begonias.
I think I seen a poinsettia.
Damn, right. I mean, this is where you gotta go if you fucked up out here.
This is the trenches right here.
If you fucked up, your money is low.
Motherfuckers just going through it right here on this little street right here, bro. Yeah, this is where
Your money is low.
You know where you gotta go.
You know where you gotta go. Fresh to the friendship. Motor in.
Straight to the friendship.
If you want something, you want a little upgrade, you can always go across the street to the red carpet.
Alright, now this joint. Oh, this is
He had a Glock on his hip, 30 plus shots was loaded in it.
What's that?
That's that Betty. That's that Betty, yo. Betty with that boy from Long Island, man. Nice. Finest Long Island.
Long Island. Oh, for real?
It's finest Long Island boy. Stovetop Cooks. You gotta hear it. Back. Yeah, he's on Benny Nutrient. It's called Back to It or something. Back.
So I didn't clarify in the video, so I'm just going to do it here real quick. We had stopped at the gas station across the street from the Friendship Motor Inn, and I was just talking to the gas station attendant about what kind of stuff he sees go on as somebody working across the street and what a regular day over there at the hotel looks like. So that's what we're talking about right here.
Wait for shit to happen to report. Because the ball, right here, he told me the cops are here at least every 4 or 5 hours.
What happens?
Overdoses, domestic disputes,
fights, real shit?
Drugs.
Oh, that's crazy.
Every 4 or 5 hours. He said it leaks over here all the time, like prostitutes, drug dealers.
Really?
Yeah. Everybody. Drug addicts.
I mean, is that like motherfucking Hillside Inn?
Yeah, but like way fucking worse.
You think it's worse? No, you know how
much bigger it is.
No, I'm saying, but you motherfuckers say that at Hillside Inn, but you really don't be seeing shit. This motherfuckers over there doing. This is like OD.
This is like people.
Well, I'm focused on the 10
after this.
Put out a number one, then another one less than a year
after it.
I'm humble, but
fucking bum should be somewhere practicing.
These Cartiers with the diamond solitaire asking. I swear these hoes fall out the air, so this they stare at
this.
Packages. I stepped on it,
nasty shit.
The whip that nothing has to square up my rear bag is tricky.
Foul, nasty situation is in back here. That fucking red carpet, bro. They got some nerve to name that motherfucker red carpet.
Red carpet, bro. They got.
You know what I mean? Like a little nuts.
Right, yeah.